A single leg deadlift is a brilliant way to start bringing some stability in around the pelvis, really challenging for the glutes, but brings in the quads, the hamstrings, very good for balance as well, so proprioception around the ankle joint. This is a brilliant exercise for anyone who lifts weights, walks, runs, and because it's a single leg exercise, you don't need to worry too much about adding in lots of weight and resistance. Although once you get comfortable with the non-weighted version, you can progress to using a kettlebell or a dumbbell just to add in some challenge. You want to come into a space around you enough so that you can hinge forward from the hips. And what we're going to do is, if you have a soft bend on the standing legs for the duration of this exercise, so we're going to stand on the left leg first with a soft bend. You want to make sure that you slightly bend at the start of the exercise the right leg. You're going to tuck the pelvis under, so you're not sticking the bottom out, so you're bracing through the core here. Keep your chest engaged, puffed out, shoulders engaged. And what you're going to do is just hinge forward from the hips. So have the arms straight out in front of you. And as your arms drop forward, your leg kicks back behind you. And what you want to do is, when you get to almost the maximum range, you want to just extend that leg and flex the foot. And what you're trying to do is create a flat surface here between the pelvis, the two sides. Try to keep the back as straight as you can, and then bend and come back up. And just run through that several times just to get used to the movement. Nice, slow and controlled. So slight bend in the left leg, big bend in the right leg, drop forward. As you get close to the end range, extend that leg, flex the foot. Hold for a second and come back up. If you can, try not to put your foot down between each movement, but if you do need to, just a second to get balance, that's fine. And just make sure each segment, so tuck the pelvis, straighten that leg out, flex the foot and relax back out. Maybe up to about 10 repetitions on one side, and then you want to just switch around to the other side. So soft bend in the right leg now, big bend in the left leg. And you're going to tuck the pelvis and just nice and slow and extend that leg. Again, trying to, if your balance is good enough, you can check that your pelvis is level, nice straight tall spine. My balance, start that again. So, and you want to come onto the other side now. So soft bend in the right leg, big bend in the left leg. Make sure that you tuck your pelvis under so that you brace and engage through the core. And as you drop the arms down, get and straighten that leg out, flex through the foot and come back out. And start again. Remember to take nice deep breaths. You can add in a little challenge here if you want, just by going really super slow on the way down. Really take maybe 5-6 seconds to get to that maximum point, and then quick up. And again, maybe take 5 or 6 to get to that maximum point, and quick up.